maker Lava has launched 4 new budget smartphones under Z series in India called Lava Z1, Lava Z2, Lava Z4 and Lava Z6. The Lava Z6 is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Lava Z6 features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G35 chipset paired with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Lava Z6 supports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 13MP main camera along with the 5MP ultra wide angle lens plus 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on stock Android 10 out of the box, and it packs with a massive 5000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.5 by 75.8 by 9mm, and it weighs around 190 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Lava Z6 has been priced in India at 9,999 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from January 11th in flame red and aqua blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Z6 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.